Most people get this wrong when searching for free gift card apps. They download anything they see online, waste hours, and end up with nothing valuable. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Only a few apps consistently pay real users in 2026, and the rest are either slow, low-paying, or not worth your time. In this video, you'll learn the top apps that actually give free gift cards in 2026, how they work, and how people like Alex, Mia, and Jake are using them to earn rewards in their spare time. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand how these apps really work. They don't print free money. They reward you for actions like surveys, offers, gaming, or shopping activity. That's the trade. Your time and attention for points that convert into gift cards. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the most reliable categories is survey and reward apps. These apps pay you for answering questions or completing small tasks. A well-known example is Swagbucks. Users collect points and redeem them for Amazon or PayPal gift cards. Someone like Alex can earn during free time while watching TV or commuting. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect fast, high payouts. In reality, surveys depend on your profile, and earnings are usually small, but consistent. Now let's move to the second category. Cashback and shopping apps. These apps reward you when you buy things you already plan to purchase. Instead of changing your spending habits, they simply return a percentage in the form of gift cards or cashback. This is one of the easiest long-term methods because it requires no extra effort. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The third category is gaming and engagement apps. These apps pay you for playing mobile games, testing apps, or engaging with content. While they sound fun, the key is choosing platforms that actually have verified payouts and not fake reward systems. But here's the mistake most people make. They try 10 different apps at once and never earn enough from any single one. The real strategy is to focus on 2 or 3 trusted apps and use them consistently. Now let's rank the strategy, not just the apps. The best results come from combining surveys, cashback, and referral bonuses. For example, Jake uses one survey app daily, one cashback app while shopping, and shares referral links for extra rewards. This creates multiple income streams from simple actions. To wrap it up, apps that give free gift cards in 2026 are real, but they are not magic money machines. The real winners are the people who stay consistent, avoid fake apps, and use a simple combination strategy instead of chasing everything at once. If this helped, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest earning guides that actually work.